Hi, let's see today how to prepare Kasuri Methi in just 6 minutes. Now since the winters are going and we are going to miss the green leaves, there can be a way to preserve it. Now one of the way to preserve it is to wash it and then leave it to air dry. But since many of us are living in apartments where we do not have access to big courtyards, so there can be another way to dry it, which is by air frying it. And this can be done in just 6 minutes. Let's see how. So first thing first, wash the leaves well, discard the thick stems and dry it with a damp cloth. तो इस तरह से हो जाएगी leaves, and then what we can do, we can place a thin layer of it in the air fry basket. Not the entire chunk. You have to divide it and you have to place a thin layer of it in the air fry basket. Let's set the time to 6 minutes. And the temperature to 140. Switch it on. Now we will leave it. When the time finishes, do not open it immediately. Leave it to cool for some time and then after 5 minutes, open it. So we will come and see what happens after 5 minutes. The 6 minutes are over and I have left it for 5 minutes. Now let's see how is our Kasuri Methi. So see, it is almost dry. Yes, it is crispy. It is dry and we can dish it out and leave it to air dry. You can hear the crunch too. So isn't it easy? Tell me in the comments if you are going to try this. Now this Kasuri Methi can be used in gravies, in dry veggies, in making parathas, puris, kachoris, on boiled potatoes, with paneer. The list is endless. It's up to your creativity. So do try it and let me know in the comments if it turns out good for you or not.